long could a person survive with an unlimited supply of water but no food? A healthy human being can live approximately 45 to 65 days without food of any kind, so long as he or she keeps hydrated. You could survive without any severe symptoms about 30 to 35 days, but after that you would probably experience skin rashes, diarrhea, and of course substantial weight loss. The body, as you must know, begins eating itself, beginning with adipose tissue, fat, and next the muscle tissue. Strangely, there is much evidence that starvation is a painless way to die. In fact, you experience a wonderful euphoria when the body realizes it is about to die. Of course, the picture is not so pretty for all reports. Some victims of starvation have experienced extreme irritability, unbearably itchy skin rashes, unceasing diarrhea, painful swallowing, and edema. In most cases, death comes when the organs begin to shut down after 6 to 9 weeks. Usually the heart simply stops. What are the deadliest foods? This is fried monkey brain, and it's mostly served in Asia, and ironically, if you eat this, you run the risk of developing something called Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease, which is like mad cow disease. It puts little holes in your brain and eventually kills you. The ackee, Jamaica's national fruit, can only be eaten when fully ripe. If you eat it unripe, or if you eat the black seeds it contains, you will develop something called Jamaican vomiting sickness, which can kill you for good. This is the pufferfish, and it is a Japanese delicacy. It is also extremely poisonous, so much so that it takes 2 years of training before you are allowed to serve it. The neurotoxin found in fish can kill 30 humans, and there is no antidote. Last but not least, we have blood clams, which are very popular in Southeast Asia. They can cause hepatitis, dysentery, and typhoid fever, and about 15% of people who eat them become infected. How does a particle accelerator work? Particle accelerators, sometimes known by the nickname atom smashers, allow scientists to accelerate tiny subatomic particles, such as electrons or protons, to near the speed of light. Then they allow a particle to collide with an atom, smashing it into pieces so they can learn about what's inside of it. Particle accelerators use different types of technology to work their magic. For example, electric fields are used to accelerate particles as they travel through a vacuum inside of a metal pipe. To create calculated collisions, electromagnets precisely direct the particles to their targets, which could be thin pieces of metal or another beam of particles. After the collision takes place, sophisticated particle detectors are used to detect and record the radiation and particles produced. Scientists examine the results to gain a better understanding of particle physics.